Would you like to speak to somebody about, well, investing or your pension, or just ask questions generally about it? Maybe what we might call an educational call. Well, good news. You can directly into the calendar with the team over there. You don't even have to fill in a form beforehand of what you've got, though you can if you wish. We've also got, if you go to campaignforamillion.com/free call, we've also got that form. If you want to fill it in beforehand, you don't have to. You can send us details beforehand. You don't have to. And we'll look at the fund, the details of the fund. We'll examine it to see why it's underperforming, what it holds, and try and give you some educational insights and pointers into all of that as well. It's completely free. The reason we did it is because, well, we're getting overwhelmed with the number of questions we're getting on social media. So we thought, well, look, we can do social media videos, we can do YouTube videos, we can do TikTok ones, we can now do Instagram ones as well. We're posting on Instagram at the same time and do lives and so on. But I just thought, you know what, it might make a lot of sense to cut to the chase and have people just call in as well. Just see how many people we can help and assist. So campaignforamillion.com/free call. We're not going to have this open for long. So I would suggest booking the call as soon as possible, because obviously slots are going to get filled up. We've only got so much capacity, and this is already proving to be extremely popular. So feel free to go there and do that. Thank you very much.